How to fix can't connect to the server 1 PlayStation sign in error. Now, there's no need for you to panic. It's just a specific glitches or some cracks that's going on at the browser that you're using. So say, for example, you receive this kind of error message and the browser you're using is Google Chrome. You just have to clear data cache and cookies from the specific browser depending on what you use. For Google Chrome, what you want to do is to click this option right here, left side of the PSN or the PlayStation Network link. Click that, then go into the cookies and site data. Now, on the next page, you should be able to see Manage On-Device Site Data. Click this option here. And what you want to do from here is to delete all these links that you have. So let's delete all these three, and from the data embedded sites, also delete those and hit on done and try to refresh the page again. If this option didn't work out for you, then what you want to do is to copy this link and try and pasting it on a different browser and do the same process again by clearing data caches and cookies on that specific browser you use. And that's it. That's how you fix can't connect to the server 1 PlayStation sign in error.